Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am actually going to do a review of a cool product called Algopix, Algopix, and I'm going to do some screen sharing so that you can see exactly what it's for. But if you're looking for that new product and don't know what platform to put it on, this is a great resource to try. So I'm also allowed to give away 2 free subscriptions that I was allowed. This company actually gave me a free subscription and I've been playing around with it and it's awesome. So check it out. All right, so I'm on the algopix.com website, and you can actually start analyzing now. I'm actually already signed in right here, if you can see that. It's behind my picture, but I've signed in to my account, and all you have to do is just sign up with an email to be able to get an account. And so I've got 2 free subscriptions I'm going to give away, but what am I even giving away? So let me go ahead and jump to the Start Analyzing Now button, and I'll give you an example. Okay, right now it's flashing some things that you can test, but I want to show you some things that are actually one of their examples and then an example of something I'm actually selling. So what I'm going to do is click the Start Analyzing Now button. It's going to bring me to this product identifier page where I can either put the title of the item and then I put my purchase price based on what increment of money you can use. So this is great for my international sellers as well, and it's actually gotten me very interested in the possibility of putting my stuff on international markets. So I'm actually sold out of this particular item. It's a Big Mouth Giant Pizza Slice pool float, and so I'm going to see, should I have sold this on the US market? Should I have sold it on the Canadian market? Should I have sold it on eBay instead of Amazon? And then this Algopix will show me all of those things. So first thing I'm going to do is I can either use the title, but I'm going to make sure that I'm specifically talking about this item, and so I'm going to scroll down, find the ASIN, which you can find here, which all you have to do is highlight. So I'm going to highlight, copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my Algopix page, and then I'm just going to put that ASIN in, and so it'll have the exact one. I spent $2 out of a liquidation box from it. You have to put in a purchase price. If you spent euros or different type of increment, you can use that there. And so I'm going to click search, and so it's going to analyze over all of the markets, eBay. So it's thinking right now, and see, that's the exact item. So I want to show you, it's saying the best market to sell this item on is Amazon Canada. Highest profit opportunity, so it takes into consideration the $2 that I spent, but it also is going to go over Australia, Canada, Germany, all these different markets. It also checks Walmart.com and eBay. And so here's the product information to make sure you have the exact same thing. It says product demand level is low, which is fine for me because I got it out of a liquidation box, but it's saying my profit after fees and everything should be $15.36. It's also saying it's not recommended, and it tells me why it's not recommended, because the demand is low. You can see that right there. So if we scroll down, so we know if I sold it on Amazon Canada, I'd get the most money. Let's scroll on down and see what else we can find out. So obviously the top one is going to be Amazon Canada, and it's saying my profit is $15.36 after all of the fees. And it's showing me all of my expenses, and it can show me, this is my competitive analysis. It shows me where are my expenses going. Purchase cost $2, just like I put in. Shipping from United States to Canada, because it knows I'm in the US, that's how much it's going to cost. So there's a lot of my profit right there. Marketplace fees, $8.40, and taxes, $5.27. So I can get all of that from that information. So, and then it's saying the competition is low, and if I click this, it tells me why. And so buy box offerings here, lowest offering, things like that. So you can get a lot of information out of this Algopix. So it's saying the next place I could sell it is on the Walmart United States one. And if I just click this, it gives me all the details, the expense breakdown and everything. It shows me the competitive analysis, what's the lowest offering, what is Walmart offering, and then the recommendation. Product is in low demand. Basically it's saying don't sell this one, there's better stuff. So if you're looking for something that's going to be a private label, and you can look up things that are of like that are similar to it, then that's an option. And then here's Amazon US, which is the one that I sold it on. I actually sold out of them, but as you can see, the shipping from US to US definitely different, $7.34. So it's showing that differences. Taxes, I don't have any taxes on this simply because it's US to US. So, but it covers Amazon Canada, Walmart United States, Amazon US, eBay Australia, eBay France, eBay, I believe this is Europe, and then all these other markets, United Kingdom, Germany, and so it covers all of these markets, and it's saying where is it going to sell the best. Then it goes, it tells you product sales performance. So obviously I've sold the most in the United States because that's the only platform I sold it on, but Amazon US is right here, and it's showing 15 units per sale. Walmart is 5 units or less. Amazon Canada is 5 units or less. So yes, I could have sold it on the Amazon Canada site, but it probably would have sat there for a while. And so then it goes into how do they calculate their data and all of that. So similar things I can analyze. So I could pick one of these to analyze. So if you're doing a private label and you don't like the specific item you chose first, it'll give you some options down here. So that is one where they're like, don't even sell it. But since it was a liquidation item, I got it dirt cheap, I'm going to make money on it. Let's try something that's a little bit more high-end that maybe you can buy direct from a wholesaler. So we're going to try this. It is an Garmin Fenix 3-hour grace watch. So we're going to try this. So I'm going to go down and get my ASIN for it and check it out. So we're going to copy that. Then we're going to go back here, and I'm going to put this in for my product identifier. We're going to paste that in, and then I'm going to change obviously my price. Let's say I buy it from wholesaler for $50. So we're going to put 50 in, and then I'm going to search. So it's thinking. It's giving me all the specifications. Now it's saying Amazon United States is the best place to sell this. It says the product's demand level is medium. My expenses would be $105.94 and the profit would be $444. Wouldn't it be awesome to sell that as a liquidator? But not always easy to find these items. And it's saying it's a recommended product. And so you can go through, and on the United States Amazon market, it's recommended. On the eBay US market, it's recommended, and on the eBay Australia market, it's recommended. But you don't want to sell it in Canada. You don't want to sell in Australia, France, Germany, all these other places because the demand is very low. And so you can go through all of these. So if I go through here, it shows my expenses breakdown. Purchase cost $50. Shipping from US to US is just shy of $5, marketplace fees $51, and then taxes. And the marketplace fees are going to be so high because it's going to sell for a higher dollar amount. That's why they're so high, even though it's a smaller item. And so I can close this. I can go to the eBay one. Obviously, the cool thing that I like about this is it shows eBay PayPal fees because most people pay through PayPal. So it does show PayPal fees whenever you sell through eBay. So it gives you a much more total overall expenses. So purchase cost $50, shipping from US $4.94, marketplace fees $41. Let's compare that to Amazon fees, which are $51. So there's the difference there that you can see with this particular item. And then let's go back here, and then PayPal fees $13.64. So you throw PayPal fees on top of Amazon. Sometimes eBay is about dead even with the fee price. And so then we have a total of $109.98 for our expenses. But it's showing that we're not going to sell it for as much. Here on eBay, we'll sell it for $459.99, and on Amazon, we're going to sell it for $549.99. Then it says you can sell it in Australia. What can we get for it in Australia? Well, obviously, there's going to be high fees for getting it to the Australia marketplace for eBay, but still, we can still make money in Australia on this particular item. So those are some options to look at this Algopix. It seems like a really awesome program to me. Go ahead and click the link in the description below. I'm going to put the link there, and then I will also have directions down on the link below on how you can win 2 free subscriptions. Well, I'm giving away 2 free subscriptions for an annual subscription for Algopix. It'll be perfect for trying to find that niche that you'd like to sell all the time, for private labeling, things like that. So So I really love it. It's great when looking up items from liquidation and which marketplace should I sell it on. It's actually got me intrigued into selling maybe, you know, Amazon Mexico, Canada, places like that. And we can basically find anything we want based off of the places that we like to look for it. So there is a YouTube video, which I'll put down in the description below, that will explain exactly how to use Algopix, made by the Algopix people. And it walks you through. You can pick specific marketplaces. So if you don't sell on all these marketplaces that are listed here, here, let me close these windows. If you don't sell on all these and you only want to check, you know, just the Amazon ones or just the eBay ones or just Walmart, you can actually filter those out and only choose the ones that you actually sell on. So hopefully it's been helpful learning what Algopix can do and how it can increase your reseller business. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Okay, now that you've seen how awesome this product is, how in the world do you win this Algopix 1-year subscription? All right, here it goes. How you win. You comment below, pick me. Put that in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up like button. Make your comment within the next 7 days, and I will add your name to a hat and draw it out on my next live stream video. So my live streams are always Thursdays at 11 o'clock. You don't have to be present on my live stream in order to get the winning spot, but go ahead and check out the Algopix. You can go on there and try it out for free for a while, but what they will do is once I pick my winner, I will contact you or you contact me with your email address, and then I will change your free subscription to a 1-year annual subscription. So it's awesome. It's going to be a great product, and I'll add some links in the description below so that you can sign up for free and try it out, and maybe you'll win the free one. So again, how do you win? Comment pick me below. Hit the thumbs up like button and make your comment within the next 7 days. Hope that you win. Thanks. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.